Hi and welcome to the presentation video of Protector 28.5. I am Piero, Technical Director of Checkpoint, and I'm going to introduce some of the features of this new firmware. Let's start with the firewall, which has been subject to a series of improvements. Now, on the first installation, to enable the firewall, it's enough to click on the Enable button in the home page, or click on the Enable Firewall button in the Firewall control panel. This is because the default configuration has been redesigned to comply with the Protector's network settings, which is in bridge mode. Now you can easily change the firewall configuration while it is active, because as soon as you change anything in the firewall configuration, the Protector will display a message to warn about the fact that the firewall is running with an old configuration. In fact, we can see this new message in the firewall control panel, but the firewall is still running with the old configuration. Now, if we want the new configuration to become active, we have to validate the new configuration, and after that we have to restart the firewall. Here we see a new feature. The firewall starts a countdown, and it is necessary to press the OK button within 15 seconds to keep the firewall running. This will avoid that in case of misconfiguration, the computer that you are using to configure the firewall is cut out of the network and cannot connect to the Protector anymore. If this should occur, you will not be able to see the page showing the countdown, and you can't consequently press the button OK. So after 15 seconds, the firewall will automatically disable itself. To simplify the usage of the firewall interface, we have added a new function to easily block an IP or CIDR. It is available in the menu Firewall, IP CIDR blocking. This function allows to enter an IP address or CIDR to block, along with the protocol. A bulk upload function is also available, and with this function you can upload a list of IPs or CIDR in CSV format. It is important to note that the Protector works in bridge mode, and for this reason, when you block an IP, it will be blocked regardless of the position of the target IP or CIDR in the LAN or in the internet. In fact, if we look at the interface definition, we can see that we have one default interface defined, which is configured as bridge interface. As soon as you install the new firmware, you will see a new chart on the home page. This chart shows the network usage in the last 60 minutes in intervals of 5 minutes. There are both inbound and outbound traffic shown in different colors. Another chart shows the same information over a period of 24 hours. The second chart is not enabled by default, but it is always possible to enable it by clicking on any of the charts on the home page and clicking on the corresponding checkbox on the first column. Another important feature we have added, though not immediately visible, is the update of the anti-spam rules. The fact to spam is not an easy task, because spammers know anti-spam products and work to try and bypass them. For this reason, we have decided to add this new function to the Protector in order to keep the anti-spam rules always up to date. You can see the anti-spam rules in the anti-spam menu, Advanced Spam Filter Rules. The update process does not affect in any way the normal anti-spam processing, as it occurs in the background in the night. When an existing rule among the list that you can see now is updated, it becomes immediately effective. But if the update process downloads a new rule, it is necessary to enable it manually. So you can enter this page and enable the new rule, then press OK. Faithful to the target of simplifying the usage of the protector, we have done some changes to the DMZ setup page. In this page now you can see a picture showing the current state of the DMZ network. So if the DMZ is connected, you will see this picture. Otherwise, if the DMZ is not connected, you will see another picture showing that the DMZ branch is not connected. A better description has also been added. For the full list of new features, you can read the release notes document that you can download from our website. You can also read the full changelog in the information box that you can see in the firmware update page. Well, it's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.